Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get this long O braid. Super easy, girl. I ain't never did this before, and you're going to see in the video that I ain't never did this before. So, and it was really easy, like I promise, 10 out of 10, like would recommend. Go ahead and do it. Of course all the products and stuff will be listed in the video. I'm gonna stop talking because there's no reason for me to talk anymore. Okay, let's get to the video. My bitch got mad, told me to leave, but y'all was fit to. Okay, hello. I'm sorry that I'm showing up with this shitty ass ponytail. This sucks. It really does. But you know, whatever, we gotta get cute. So I flat ironed my hair yesterday and it looked bad. But it's okay because it's only for this style purpose. Hopefully that video, oh my god, this feels so, whew. Hopefully that video is like up already. So I'm gonna be doing like the long braid, as you can see. Hopefully I did my like intro already because I'm not doing it now. You think you finna stay on the video that you clicked on and look like this? No, you're not. I'm gonna brush back my little fake baby hairs. Y'all look this, I got a new brush. Cause I realized that although my dirty ass brush be doing the job, you feel me? It don't be getting all the hair. So you feel me? I got a new brush specifically for grabbing everything. And then I got my old brush for smoothing. And so what we finna do now is just go ahead and get this ponytail rocking, you know, you feel me? Our main ponytail. And I think I want it to be like back center, like right here. Like not too far back, but like not too far up, because I want to be able to lay my head down at night, you feel me? Like you have to think about that kind of stuff in advance. So here I am thinking about like, what my head, it's my pillow. Yeah, about right here. Okay, so my tail was already in ponytail, so it's already like creased like that. But I'm gonna use this Gotta Be spray, I think, cause I don't know, I haven't had straight hair in a long time. No, I'm not out here looking like this while I'm talking to y'all. I'm so sorry. I mean, it kind of is, but I'm gonna add. I got this EZEdges edge control, and I got a whole pack of it, like everything that I'm using this video for well, not everything, but like this edge control and this braiding hair, like it was given to me by like somebody who actually had a partnership with them. I'm not in partnership with EZEdges, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with all this edge control. I'm gonna show you at the end how much edge control I got, because I think I'm gonna give it away, but I don't know really the details of the giveaway yet, so I need to think about that first. You know, I've been wanting to have a giveaway for a long time, but I don't know, just like it's like 3 different kinds of this kind of edge control. And I used this yesterday, it was nice. But like, I don't know, do y'all just want some edge control? That's all I got for y'all. I'm broke. And it's quarantine season, you know, I don't really know what else I can give. This foil. Do y'all be feeling like y'all gotta get all the foil off of stuff like the lids? Like when you open up a new product, you gotta get all the strip that was sealing it off. Like I feel like I gotta get it off. Hey, I think this is good enough. I'm gonna do some more spray. Hopefully this is slick now. Okay. This is what the back of my head look like. I don't know what it looked like for real, so hopefully it look good when I just showed you that. We're gonna get this front part together. I'm gonna just leave out some edges, because I think I'm gonna just do like 2 big swoops on the side and then my like side baby hair or whatever. Alright. I can't have nothing. But thank God, because small setbacks don't even matter when you prepare. You stay ready, so you don't gotta get ready. Okay, so I just did my edges. I think I'm done. I'm gonna go ahead and seal them because y'all, I don't trust edge control for real. I don't have a good, you know, relationship. I love me a gel, but usually my hair is wet, so I'm not gonna like do the same shit I would do when my hair is wet. So I'm gonna go ahead and tie on a scarf. So at least while what I'm gonna do while I put on this this like braid, my edges won't get messed up. So they're still like, they're not like, they're not fucking hard. Damn, bitch, say what you gotta say. They're not hard yet. And so I just need them to stay in place while I do my little braid. So my hair is in this like little ponytail, and it's my little shit. You feel me? I don't know how to braid, like, so if I can do it, then I'm assuming y'all can do it too, because this ain't my cup of tea. So I have this Spectra braid, pre-stretched, antibacterial fiber braid in 1B. I feel like I'm a 2, but we're gonna see what happens. It's pre-stretched, but I don't got no hair tie around it, so now I gotta waste the hair tie. But with this hair tie, I think I know what I'm gonna do. I gotta go like this and then put it through this, I think. Did I loop it? Hey, I think that's what it do. I'm pretty sure that I did that right. Ooh, damn, y'all probably gonna know what I did. Shit, you feel me? I hope y'all figure that out. So now all you gotta do is just, oh, it came undone anyway. Okay, so I guess that was the universe telling me that I had to show you guys what I did. So I have this hair tie. This is the part of the hair that we're at, okay? Boom. So we got this hair tie. And so we're gonna put this hair tie underneath this part. Shit, are we? Oh wait, okay. So then we're gonna take 2 fingers. That's how I'm gonna do it. I don't know if there's a better way, but that's how I'm gonna do it. Okay, and then we're gonna take this finger and just try to, you feel me? Shit. Woo. Yeah, I don't know. This might not be a tutorial no more. Yeah, so then you just pull this through this. And then boom. I hope that made sense. You feel me? I watched Arnell Armand's video, so I'm really coming up with shit, but she said that she liked to put it on like this because, you feel me, when she put the braid, like the braided hair on the other side, it like goes down that way. So I'm gonna just, I think that was enough time. Girl, I don't know. And so, boom. And then she said she flip it over and it's like how it need to be. Oh, girl, she lied. Okay, I have 2 more packs of this hair, but I'm gonna just open up the next one for now because I think I'll be able to just use this one. And you want pre-stretched, I think there's a reason for that. Girl, I don't know the reason because I don't be doing this for real, but like, you know, I get the pre-stretch because I feel like there's a reason. So now so your ends don't be blunt and you don't gotta do it yourself. Like if you don't buy it pre-stretched, you gotta stretch it yourself. Or like go ahead and pull the ends. So you know how the ends are like at a gradient type shit? You know, in like regular connect line, it's like this. It's like blunt. So pre-stretched hair is good. I'm gonna go ahead and just separate some hair so I can add it into my ponytail type shit. So I'm gonna just like have this like this set aside ready on the ready for me. I got like 3 pieces. Hopefully that's good enough for now. Okay. So girl, we finna take our 2 sides and then, oh shit, y'all. Okay, so hopefully I'm in frame and we're gonna separate this a little bit and then we're gonna take half, like a little bit less than half from each one. So like this much from this one. It's so weird telling you what I'm doing without seeing it. And then this much from, no, a little more from this one. Okay, and then the goal is to put your hair like hide your shit. Bro, I'm too weak. Okay, so then I guess we gonna start braiding. And you know, I think I know how to braid. Fuck around. And you gotta make sure that you like pulling the hair out because shit can get tangled real fast. Like that. I hope I'm doing something right now. Ooh, is my camera still recording? Okay, good. Girl, I feel like I'm doing something right now. Ooh, am I? Ooh, I feel like it. Ooh, I kind of am. Y'all, I be doing hair. In case y'all didn't know, I be doing hair. We gonna keep breaking this down until like I feel like it's time for me to add some hair. Y'all, I'm braiding. Who would have thought? Look at this. Who would have thought? Okay, so now I feel like it's time for me to add some hair. Y'all, wow. Shit, I hope I ain't talk too much. I hope I don't fuck it up now. I think it's time for me to add some hair. I'll bring this over to the front now. I think. Hold on. Oh shit. Hold it. How do bro, like this? Like this. Okay. So now that I got my footing back, so I'm gonna add some hair. And so I never did this shit before in my life. So I don't really know what this would do. I'm pretty sure you gotta get it like this. Or maybe like this. I gotta get this over here. And then you just keep going. Oh girl, if I can do it, you can do it, because period. Cause I just did it. I don't know how I just did it. And I'm sorry, but we gotta do it again at some point. I feel like, yeah, like right now type shit. This side is thin. So I get my hair. Wow, I'm braiding this shit. Who would have thought? And then I'm gonna just put it like underneath my finger, so I can combine it with like the next one. And so then I just keep going. And you just hope your shit don't come out. Oh yeah. Oh hell yeah. I'm braiding this shit. Who would have thought? Y'all, I got me a little braid. And it don't look bad. So now I'm gonna keep braiding my shit. Okay, so yeah, I got about this much hair left. Do a little rubber band. Period. Okay, so before I do my little curly cue down, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap around. Like, see the base of my ponytail? You can see that. That's not cute. You know, we don't want that. I'm ugly. So I had like a little bit of hair left from the second pack. I think I'm gonna just, will I need all of this? I don't need all of this. Okay. I took about half of that. And child, this is what the girls be doing. I don't know. For real. But I seen that they were just going like, they was gonna wrap it around one end first and then wrap around the other end like normal, like a ponytail. So that's what I'm trying. Hold up, this braid sitting on my shoulder. I had to move her back. I had to move back. She's long. Okay. I'm gonna take a little more of this edge control and just put it on the ends of this. Hopefully it'll stay in place. But girl, I don't know. Oh, stop playing with me. Stop. Like, don't ever fix your mouth to ever play with me again, because I hit you with my braid. Here she is. And she moving. If you get hit by my ponytail, you're standing too close. And so now we're almost done. I'm gonna go ahead and add some mousse down the shit, and then hopefully like that makes it like look good. I don't know. Wow. Can't tell I'm feeling myself. Not a lot. I just got this much mousse, and I'm gonna go ahead and just go down the length of it. Okay, so my hair is like almost dry from the mousse or whatever, and it looks so good. Like, wow. I'm gonna go ahead and do like a final spray of some Gotta Be on the top. Make sure everything stays in the back. And do you think we're done? We're not done. We're gonna add some Pump It Up, baby. What you know about the Pump It Up? You know. I'm gonna add a little spritz to Pump It Up. I love the smell of this. Is it just me, or does like give like nostalgic memories of getting your hair done? I don't know. Oh. Period. Pumping it up. Whose hair is going somewhere? Not mine. Not mine. Especially not now. Okay, so now that my hair is absolutely not going anywhere for like ever, hold on, for good luck. So that's all I got for you. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I really enjoyed this. This is so easy. Like, whole time I'm over here telling y'all that I ain't never did this shit before. I ain't never did this shit before. Like, on God. So, this is my first try, and it turned out really good. Like, if I can do it, you can do it, period. This was easy for you guys. I'm sorry that I couldn't explain some things in depth, because again, it was your girl's first time. So, hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, beautiful.
I'm still in love.